In this video, I'll show you how to change your profile picture on TikTok. If this helps, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. First, we will open up the TikTok app on our phone, then we will enter our profile. Once you're inside your profile, go ahead and select Edit Profile. Then you will tap on Change Photo. Now here you will have three different options. You can take a selfie, you can upload a picture from your camera roll, or you can see the current picture that you have as your profile pic. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select Upload Photo. Then I'm going to select my new profile picture. And you can use your screen to drag it out if you want it bigger or smaller. Once you have your picture ready, you can preview it by tapping right here at the bottom, and that way you can see how your picture is going to look. Then all you have to do is tap on Save and Post. If you want your followers to know that you changed your profile picture, you can select this checkbox right here, and this will automatically create a story for you. If you don't want that, we can go ahead and take it off and simply select Save. As you can see, if I refresh my TikTok screen, I will have a new profile picture. Hope this video helped.